Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on your ALCATEL 3 2019. If your Bluetooth is not connecting, the first thing you may want to consider is to simply make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it is, try turning it off and then back on again. You can do so in the quick settings menu or in settings under network and connection. Another thing you may consider doing is checking if your Bluetooth device is turned on. If it is, for example, this wireless earbud, you can try pairing with it if you aren't paired. Just look out for the device, let's pair with it. And if you are paired with it, but it doesn't connect, you can try going into the device settings, then trying to disconnect, and then connect again. Or, if this still doesn't work, you can try forgetting the device, and then pairing with it again. If, however, the device doesn't even show up, the first thing you may want to check is if the device shows up on other phones. If it does, that means your phone's Bluetooth may be broken, which I'm going to show you how to potentially fix. But if it doesn't show up on other phones either, that might mean that the Bluetooth device is broken or very simply not charged enough. So you could simply try charging the device up. If it's wireless earbuds, then try putting them in the case and make sure the case itself is also charged. Now I'm going to show you how you can potentially fix Bluetooth errors on your phone. In settings, go to System, here Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Here Reset Settings, confirm your pattern, then reset again. And this will reset all of your network settings, including your Bluetooth settings, or at least it should, which will forget all of the Bluetooth devices you may have had. As you can see, it's gone from the paired devices, but it will also forget all of your Wi-Fi networks. So do keep that in mind. Another thing you can try is to simply restart the Bluetooth device. In the case of wireless earbuds, you might simply have to, if they are outside the case, simply put them back into their case, close the case for a bit, then open the case back up again and take the earbuds out. Really depends on the device, how you can reset it. Or simply reset your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button and choose Restart. If after the restart nothing about Bluetooth is working still, you could try one more thing, which I'm going to show after the phone turns back on. So after your device turns back on and you use your pattern to unlock it, you can try to check for system updates to make sure you are up to date. It's under Settings, System Updates, and just check for updates now. But for that you need internet connection. So let's connect to one of our networks. After connecting, you can try checking for updates. But it's most likely that your phone is up to date, as the last update has been rolled out quite a few years ago. And they aren't going to be giving any new ones, most likely. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.